Meet Zach. Zach dropped out of university and pursued a career in delivering pizza. Not the greatest idea. He was very exhausted and fed up with his repetitive lifestyle and living paycheck to paycheck. After many long repetitive months, Zach finally had enough and started searching online for something, anything, to give him his break. He came across the London Academy of Networking. It was in his budget, offered an actual career with progression, and did not require many qualifications. Surely, it was too good to be true. They offered professional IT courses with mentors to teach and help those stuck like him. All the courses were on a very competitive price compared to other training centers, and they offered instructor-led practical training, help to write his CV, assistance in finding a job, and interview preparation after completion of the course. He booked a free demo on www.thelanofficial.com and decided to enroll for CCNA right away. He received hands-on training and passed CCNA certification. The LAN also trained him to prepare CV, apply for jobs, and interview preparation. Within his first interview, he secured his job in City London as a network engineer. Right now, Zach is a thriving young man with so much potential. He's climbing up his career ladder, loved by his manager and peers. He is no longer exhausted nor depressed. He is happy with his job. He's been offered a handsome salary, further free training, and a holiday package. Amazing, right? Are you a graduate, professional, or a student who is struggling to find a professional job or want to get a better position? If yes, then follow Zach's footsteps and get your dream job right away. Enroll with www.thelanofficial.com to get hands-on training today. The LAN not only provides e-learning and site training by consultants in the area of cybersecurity, Cisco networks, AWS cloud computing, but also provides consultancy services in EMEA region.